Welcome to our channel where we uncover simple solutions to your banking alert issues and get them working again fast. Welcome to our channel. If you rely on banking alerts to keep track of your transactions and financial activity, experiencing issues where these alerts stop working can be frustrating and concerning. Today, we will guide you through detailed troubleshooting steps to help restore your banking alerts swiftly and effectively. First, start by checking your notification settings on your mobile device. Go to your phone settings, look for notifications, and ensure that alerts for your banking app are turned on and not muted or restricted. Next, verify the alert settings within your banking app itself. Open the app and navigate to the Alerts or Notifications section to confirm that you have enabled the types of alerts you want to receive, such as transaction alerts, low balance warnings, or payment reminders. Confirm that your contact details, like your phone number and email address, are correct and updated. Sometimes, alerts fail to reach you due to outdated contact information. After this, check your internet connectivity or data service. Poor internet connectivity or airplane mode could prevent the app from sending notifications. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the alerts resume. Another important step is to check if your banking app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps might have bugs causing alerts to fail. Go to your app store and update the app if necessary. If notifications are still not coming through, try logging out and then logging back into the banking app. This can refresh your session and reset alert settings. Clearing the app's cache can also help resolve any temporary glitches. If you still experience issues, uninstalling and reinstalling the app can fix corrupted data or software conflicts. Additionally, verify that your device's software is up to date. Sometimes, system updates improve compatibility and fix notification issues. Lastly, if all these steps don't solve the problem, contact your bank's customer support. They can check if there are server-side issues or specific restrictions on your account that are blocking alerts. Make sure to provide them with details such as your device type, app version, and a description of the issue. Fixing banking alerts not working is a process of systematic troubleshooting many potential causes, but following these comprehensive steps will greatly increase your chances of resolving the problem quickly and restoring your important financial notifications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tech guides.